Today we are going to talk about places you like to visit. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready? What place do you like to visit?
I like to visit the temple.
Where is it?
It is in Siem Reap.
Why do you like visiting this place?
I like visiting this place because it's beautiful, interesting and wonderful.
How often do you go there?
I usually go there twice a year.
Do you go there alone or with others?
I go there with my friend.
What do you usually do there?
I always take a lot of pictures and study about there too.
What time of the year do you like visiting it?
I like visiting during the holiday.
How do you travel to that place?
I always go there by motor.
Do you take photo when you go there?
Yes, I usually take a photo and remember.
Would you like to visit this place again?
Yes, I want to visit it again.
Thank you for sharing about your favorite places to visit. That was very good. This is the end of your speaking test. See you next time.